Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix access is denied error when using Windows Update service in Windows 11, 10. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Find service name. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand services. Right-click WUAU serve, click permission. Click advanced, click enable inheritance. Click apply, click OK. Administrator and users check full control. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.